Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be doing a comparison between two popular microphone options. We have the HyperX QuadCast S and the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord. Both of these mics have their own unique features and benefits. So let's dive in and see which one is the right fit for you. When it comes to price, the HyperX QuadCast S is priced at $159, while the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is priced at a more budget-friendly range. However, it's important to note that the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is only a cable and does not include a microphone, so the price difference is expected. In terms of design, both the HyperX QuadCast S and the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord offer different options. The HyperX QuadCast S features radiant RGB lighting with dynamic effects, allowing you to customize the style of your setup. It also has a built-in anti-vibration shock mount and a tap-to-mute sensor with an LED status indicator. On the other hand, the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is specifically designed as a cable for Blue Yeti recording microphones and offers durability with high-quality materials. When it comes to polar patterns, the HyperX QuadCast S takes the lead with its 4 selectable options: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. This allows you to optimize your broadcast setup and focus on the sounds you want to be heard. The Blue Yeti USB cable power cord does not offer any polar pattern options, as it is solely a cable for Blue Yeti recording microphones. Both the HyperX QuadCast S and the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord offer different compatibility options. The HyperX QuadCast S is versatile and works with PCs, PS4, Mac, and major streaming platforms. It is also certified by Discord and TeamSpeak. On the other hand, the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord is specifically designed for Blue Yeti recording microphones. That brings us to the end of our comparison between the HyperX QuadCast S and the Blue Yeti USB cable power cord. Both products have their own unique features and benefits. Depending on your specific needs and budget, one of these options may be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below which mic you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.